Alright, so here's the scoop. We've all known Samsung's been cooking up a trifold device for a while now, but up until recently, it's been all mystery and speculation. That is, until now. Thanks to a little slip-up in One UI 8, we finally get a sneak peek at what this futuristic foldable might look like. Rumor has it the device will be called the Galaxy G Fold, and Samsung's been keeping it pretty hush-hush. No official pics, barely any details. But things are heating up as we get closer to launch. In what's easily the biggest leak yet, an animation tucked inside One UI 8 has given us a glimpse of the trifold in action. Spotted by the folks over at Android Authority, the animation shows the device from the back, fully opened, pointing out where the NFC antenna lies. And yep, it's rocking a triple camera setup, just like the Galaxy Z Fold 7, plus selfie cameras on both the inside and outside screens. Now in the files, it's referred to as Multifold 7, but that's probably just a codename. We're sticking with Galaxy G Fold for now. So what does it actually look like? Imagine a Z Fold, but stretched. Unfold it, and the front display is chilling right in the middle panel. The main cameras are off to the left, and the right section, pretty clean. The outer display's smack dab in the center, which is a different take than HUAWEI's Mate XT, which folds in a Z shape. Samsung's approach is more like those trifold display boards from school science fairs, a central panel with two sides that fold in. Sound familiar? That's because Samsung showed off a similar concept, the Flex G, back at MWC. That prototype was chunkier and didn't have an outer display, but the folding idea lines up perfectly with what we're seeing here. And one more thing. Samsung's animation files also include a little PSA on how not to fold this thing. Since the G Fold folds inward twice, one hinge is actually thicker than the other, so there's a specific way to close it. You'll have to fold the left side, which ends up on the right when viewed from the back, first to avoid any awkwardness or damage. Word on the street is that Samsung might finally reveal the G Fold at their big Unpacked event next week, but it won't be riding solo. We're also expecting the Galaxy Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7, and a brand new lineup of Galaxy watches to share the spotlight. So, what do you think of Samsung's triple folding tech? Cool or overkill? Hit the comments with your thoughts. And as always, thanks for hanging out. Catch you in the next one. Until then, take care.